Hi guys, this is a quick announcement for all the CA intermediate students who are writing their exam in the May 24 attempt and waiting for the CA intermediate taxation GST का revision. CA intermediate taxation GST face-to-face revision free of cost is going to happen in Bangalore from 15th to 21st of March, evening 5:30 to 7:30. Sir, where is it going to happen? It is going to happen at Yashash Academy, Jayanagar, Bangalore. Sir, I want to register for the revision. You can go ahead and scan this QR code and you will be able to register yourself for the face-to-face revision without any charges. The revision is absolutely free. Whether you are our student, whether you are not our student, you can attend the revision face to face free of cost. Now, sir, I can't go ahead and attend it face to face because I'm not in Bangalore or I can't travel down to Bangalore. No problem, Baba. You can also attend the revision uh, on our YouTube channel, which is CA Ramesh Soni. There, it will also be happening live at the same time, evening 5:30 to 7:30. It will be happening live on our YouTube channel, CA Ramesh Soni wala channel. Done, sir. For attending it live, you don't have to register. For attending it face to face, you have to scan this QR code and register yourself. Done, sir. Sir, I want more details. Baba, you can get in touch with this number and they will go ahead and provide you the details. This is Yashash Academica number and they'll provide you the detail. Sir, what is the material you will be going ahead and using? I'll be using version 6 chart book. Sir, I have the version 6 chart book. Very good. Sir, I don't have version 6 chart book. Baba, go to rameshsoni.com. Ramesh Soni. rameshsoni.com and you will be able to buy from there the chart book version 6. Sir, I don't have version 6 chart book, but I have version 5 chart book. Baba, along with version chart, you can use version 5 chart book. Along with that, go ahead, go to rameshsoni.com, free resources, CA Inter May 24 folder. There you will find additional chapter notes and you will find statutory updates applicable for May 24. Download both the notes and keep along with version 5 because the amendments and the additional points which are required to be used, the additional charts and the amendment points which I'm going to discuss during the revision, that you will be able to cover from the amendment material. So version 5 book along with that version 5 chart book along with that additional chapter notes and amendment notes you can download from our CA Intermediate May 24 folder. Sir, I have version 6 chart book. Baba, version 6 chart book wala students also go to rameshsoni.com and along with that the statutory update or the amendment material which is there, you have to download and keep with you because when we are going ahead and doing the revision, I'll be going ahead and revising all the chapter. Along with that, I'll specifically also go ahead and cover the amendment. So you are done with your complete revision during these 7 days. I hope to see you guys face to face or on YouTube live revision. Sir, will the video be available for watching it later? Yes, Baba, it will not be available immediately, but after some days, I'll also make it available on YouTube for the students who want to watch it later. But immediately, it will not be available. Immediately, if you want to see, means on the day of the revision, it will not be available. It will be for face to face and YouTube live only. So I want you guys to either come face to face or attend it YouTube live. It will also come on YouTube for watching it later, but after some days. Done, sir. Point is clear. I hope I was able to clarify everything regarding the revision. Love you all. Take care. Bye, guys. See you all in class.